Behold, the Purple Mattress. I ordered this from purple.com and it was promptly shipped to my house and showed up probably about a week and a half later. I just came home one day and saw a massive purple punching bag sitting outside of my house. I tried to pick it up thinking, oh, how heavy could it be? It's just a mattress. No, that thing weighed about 90 pounds. So I had to lug it up the stairs using a very precarious method. Here's the mattress from the side profile. And as you can tell, it looks pretty sleek. What I'm going to do now is walk by and show you the very fine purple line, showing that there's some good craftsmanship here on the very end of the mattress. And what I'm going to show you next is this weird side part that starts going from narrow to wider and then back to narrow. And it basically looks like a drunk child was drawing a purple line and they just kind of gave up somewhere in the middle, and then they got their wits back together by the end. But yeah, definitely not as smooth as how it looks in the back. But in any case, it doesn't matter. You're going to cover this thing. And then you're probably wondering, how do you know this is a purple mattress? Well, they stitch the word purple pretty much everywhere. Right there. And let's look at the surface. Massive, massive word. Purple. They really love their name. And it's probably on this side too. Yep, right there. So here it is in all its glory. This is a queen size bed, nothing fancy. They said on the website not to put it on a box spring, but I did, because that's all I have right now. And it didn't make a difference. I've slept on this already and it felt pretty amazing. What are the downsides to this thing? Well, it weighs a shitload. It was literally 87 pounds and I think packaged probably over 90 pounds. So I had to move it upstairs using a method I found on YouTube by these lovely ladies, and I'll reference them later on. But I finally got it up here by myself. I am not a big person. And after all the painstaking work, I think it's worth it. So far I've slept pretty well with it. And now I'm going to test out how stable this mattress is by getting on one side of it and seeing if my tripod moves. It moved a little bit. It's pretty stable. It's not like I'm sleeping next to anyone here, but if I move around, it does shake the tripod a little bit, but not nearly as much as a traditional mattress would. But I'll tell you what, it is comfortable. Oh, I could just fall asleep here. But I won't, because I gotta end this video. This is what's left of the purple plastic bag that the mattress came in. It's about 5 feet long and is probably not good for any other future use except maybe a body bag, which is what it looks like when it's not filled with a giant mattress. I don't know what you guys are using it for, but I'm probably going to throw this away. Before I end this, check out this video of the FedEx guy dropping off the purple mattress on my front doorstep as if he's dragging a dead body and then just bolting from the scene of the crime. This was masterful work, and thank you, FedEx. And this guy probably hates my guts right now. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, everyone.